Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone lagging issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste in time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have restart the iPhone. Traditionally, restarting the device help fix most of the iPhone issues. So restart or reset your iPhone whenever you have noticed performance issue or UI lag. So then second solution, you have close all the running app. If you use many apps, they are calculated in the background and thus iPhone is lagging, and some particular app like FaceTime and calendar or slow or laggy. So close app to avoid or end iPhone lagging. So you have close the app and then you have restart the app. Third solution, you have delete unused app. Delete the app you do not use and free up space. Some space on your iPhone to know which app uses how much storage in iPhone. Then you have not used any app on your iPhone is available, so you must be delete your iPhone. Then fifth solution, you have run fourth solution, you have clear Safari history and data. If your iPhone is lagging due to slow Safari, then follow the below quick fix. Remove junk files including cookies, histories, cookies, and then other browsing data in iPhone Safari settings. So you have clear. Open the setting, click on Safari, scroll up, then you have clear history and website data. From here you have clear on your iPhone. Then fifth solution, you have turn off background app. Refresh app in your iPhone constantly fetch data from your server to offer you the best experience. Even if your iPhone is idle, apps are constantly being refreshed in the background in search of the latest update, making it hard sometimes to run a background app refresh to improve the performance and battery life of your iPhone. So you have open setting, click on general, click on background app refresh. You have turned off from here. The last solution, you have reset all setting. After Parsiting the above method, if iOS 17 is still lagging, pat all your iPhone setting to system default. The reset option will not erase any data from your iPhone like contents, mail, message, and more. However, it will reset the home screen layout, keyboard, dictionary, display, privacy, location, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi settings. So you have open the setting, click on general. Again, you have scroll up, then click transfer or reset iPhone. Reset or setting iPhone, given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone. Only reset all setting on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.